The thing is, this is made of.
This is made out of thick felt. Thick felt siya. Tapos,
What is the meaning of thick felt? Kasi I guess, what is the average people na kinikater nyo? Level, A ba, B, or C? Let's just and
the demographic is all about ABCs and, you know, all of the crowd. Like, pretty much every masses, everybody who wants to, like, buy Lamina bag.
for example, I identified how much is this?
This is for 1,150.
Oh, very affordable,
Yes.
especially if you are working,
Yes.
no? So different design.
Yes, different designs and different colors. Not only that, the designs is not limited to one color, but multiple designs as well and multiple colors as well.
And who is your designer, Lamina? Actually, I shared this and how I wish that we have interview for Lamina because your product is really very aspiring, no? Especially, no, for the Maka-Heart, right? Very handy and
And it's very light.
Yes.
It's very lightweight, you know. Instead of your things to be that heavy thing, you know, it's not gonna be that heavy.
even this one. How much is this?
This one is 1,250.
1,250. Okay. So that is Lamina, no? And even they have their own, like parang ang lakas maka-Chanel, lakas maka-Gucci. So that is the product of Lamina. Arlene, biglang awa, Madam UK. Chanel, yes. Of course, definitely. This is the price. So, and where's your boutique, Lamina? Where's your boutique?
Online. We do have an online shop.
Live streaming, if I'm not mistaken, no? I visit here.
In Japan.
I follow.
This is from
Oh, this is from Japan. So from Japan, you go directly.
Yeah, and then they ship it here, or she goes to Japan every once in a while to pick up the product.
So you are Miss, what, the owner?
No, I'm from the sales.
Sales area manager, and what about si ma'am? Oh, at least go. But in Japan, what is the name of the product?
The same thing.
It's Lamina also. This is originated from Japan? Ah, that's why. But it sounds Filipina.
Yes, because it's
Yes, it sounds Filipina. Oh, even if it's from Japan, it sounds Filipina. So, look at the product. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Madam UK.
Yes, Madam UK. And not only Madam UK, together with Babylo's Kitchen and yung kanina. Yes, no. Fashionable, tita. Visit. Rampa. Oh. Rampa. Lamina. Oh. Picture